Welcome to Learning Ally. This video will help you dive into the amazing world of audiobooks. You've got tons of stories waiting for you. Just tap Add Books or Browse to explore our library. You can quickly find what you're looking for by searching for an author, title, or keyword right up here. Or if you're just browsing, check out books by your grade level, subject, or a fun category. See a book that catches your eye? Tap its cover to learn more and read a quick summary. Want to start reading right away? Click Read Now, or if you want to save it for later, just click Read Later to add it to your bookshelf. Once your book opens, it starts playing automatically. You can make it perfect for you by clicking Settings. You can change things like the volume, how fast it reads, or you can even change how the text looks on your screen. Want to know what a word means? Double-click it or long press for the definition. And if you want to remember something important, highlight a word and leave yourself a sticky note. Click the Bookmark button to bookmark entire sentences and leave a sticky note. In the bottom left of the screen, you can find your bookmarks, the page finder, and table of contents. Don't forget, you can take Learning Ally's audiobooks with you everywhere. Download the app on your laptop, phone, or tablet. If you're having trouble logging in, reach out to your teacher or guardian. Happy reading and have a great day of learning.